Hi, in this video I'm going to share with you how to use the ListBox, the combo box, and it has this value here, and also it takes the value from the data from the range. Let's begin. So the first thing is that we will load this into a list box, right? So I'm going to this a blank one, right? I can choose the list box. The list box is right here. So I click on this list box. Okay, and then I give them a name. So I just call it list category maybe. Okay, so that is how you have the list box. And how do we load some value into the user form, right? Is that we double click on this. Instead of using click, right? Go over here, change it to initialize, and we remove this. Here we change to list box, right? List category dot add item, and then we put there, say EX. And if we want to have another item, we can use this add. Maybe I say X, and that's about it, right? And that's how you show some value at the moment that the user form is shown. See, there's a EX and there's a AX. You can choose some of them, right? And how do you load the value that you found in the worksheet? Right, the way to do that is you make use of a for loop, looping the range. So for each element in the range, so I have named this range as type. So I'll just give them the type. Next. Okay, so that is, so I'll just call this into this, and then a E. So let's see what happened. There you are, right? So I get EX, get an AX, then I got an X, which is getting from this value, TT from this value, and so forth, right? And that is how you load some value into a list box. And I hope that you learned something, right? So go ahead and type something, right? Get a feel of it, feel great about it, right? So you need to success about one step at a time, right? And thanks for watching.